Hey guys, how's it going? How to remove end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Messenger. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead to that person. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click their name at the top. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to restrict, right? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for a few moments and I'm going to unrestrict, right? And that should fix your problem and you're going to be able to see the end-to-end encryption right here. Right? If you're still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just let me click the three balls at the top right, the hamburgers at the top left, sorry, and go ahead and click the settings gear. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the privacy and safety, and you're gonna go ahead to the end-to-end encrypted chats and make sure that the message storage is toggled off, and basically the security alerts right here, the manage security alerts, make sure that your contacts, devices, or keys change is toggled turn off, and the view logins right here, delete all the devices that you are not using right now so you can fix that problem. And then if you still face that same issue, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead eventually and hold right here the chat, delete, and then basically double click to confirm, and then open up a new chat with the same person, and then you're gonna see the end-to-end encrypted message or notification. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you will see the end-to-end encrypted chat removed. So thank you for watching.